What's up guys, this is Tommy. Today I will show you Flysky's new transmitter, the Nouble NB4. Now let's unbox it. This is NB4. Is it beautiful? Red? There is a small box here. This is a base port. It's just like a portable power service. It's at 4,300 mAh. Now this is the controller here. Let's combine these together. Okay. The base port is anodized, and the top screen is also anodized. Now these are plastics. The wheelbase can flex to the right hand mode, the middle hand mode, and the left hand mode. It's so convenient, and I think it's also tight. It's a 4-channel transmitter. You can see here the Tier 3 and Tier 4. The SW1 button and SW2 and 3 just on the bed of the wheel. On the top of the wheelbase you can see the throttle trimming and steering trimming. Oh, there is a VR1. It can change the 3rd or 4th channel by proportion. It's so smooth. Now is when click the on-off button, you can see there is LED light. And secondly, I will click the top on-off button.
Welcome to Nouble.
Wow, welcome to Nouble. You can see the RGB screen, and it can touch. So beautiful. Oh, it's blue LED light. Let's unbox it. The 2 receivers, a small one and a big one, and another set grip, a USB cable, and the quick start guide manual. Now here is the 2 receivers. you can see the big one is FGR4 and the small one is FGR4S. I think the S maybe stand for small. And you can see here the FGR4 is set 3.5 to 18 watts DC. Oh my god! It supports high voltage. It is so high. It's up to 18 watts. And you can see here the FGR4S is just up to 8.4 watts, and it's enough for us to use. These are two 4-channel receivers. The FGR4S, you can see there is no antenna here. It is so small, and you can put it on your small cars